Sifting through voluminous paperwork, going on out-of-town ocular visits, interfacing with resource persons for hours on end, and all the due diligence work in between make up for an easy target for stress and multiple organ disorder, especially on a septuagenarian like former DPWH chief and just resigned ICI Commissioner Rogelio Singson. This notwithstanding the toll on his and his family's privacy, which he made clear as the reasons for leaving the ICI, as our Harley Valbuena reports.
Kung ikaw gusto magpapako, huwag mo na kami sila.
This is what the family of outgoing Independent Commission for Infrastructure, or ICI Commissioner Rogelio Babe Singson, said to him in encouraging him to resign from the commission. Singson lamented that his job with the ICI already affects his private life and his family is not used to heavy security. He said he also cannot take the high level of stress in working with the ICI from morning until evening to study and investigate hundreds of anomalous flood control projects. This also deteriorates his health.
My 77-year-old body cannot take it anymore. That's the other half of the situation. I've been in and out of the hospital. I just came from a medical workout. This is the first time in my life that I've been asked to take maintenance medication for heart, high BP, for high cholesterol, high creatinine, name it, everything is red flag in my body.
The former DPWH secretary added he initially thought his stint with the ICI will only last for 3 months. Singson asked for the public's consideration as he will now focus on his family and personal life. But in the end, Singson admitted ICI still lacks the authority, and this is why the commission collaborates with other government agencies in investigating the flood control scandal. He also called on Congress to pass the bills that will grant more power to the ICI, such as the proposed creation of the Independent People's Commission.
I hope people understand that ICI on its own cannot solely carry the burden. We need the support of other government institutions, particularly at this time, both houses of Congress, the Senate and the lower house.
Despite already submitting his irrevocable resignation, Singson said he is always ready to assist and give advice to the ICI, and he will still be attending hearings scheduled before the effectivity of his resignation on December 15. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.